New for PointStudio 2020 is the Feature Edit option within the CAD digitization tools. This new tool allows for greater customization and project organization when digitizing points, lines, or polygons. New features can be set up directly in the Draw panel. Default profiles can be edited, or new profiles can be added with specific user-defined features added to the custom profile. Let's create a custom profile for Lithology. Within the Define Feature panel, we can set up a specific rock code name associated with the profile of Lithology. In the description, we could add items such as maybe a rock code. We can set default color, thickness, and line style. And features can also be linked to default layer and given default object names. Object type can be set as points, lines, or polygons. And attributes can also be associated with the feature. In addition to manually adding features, existing feature codes such as FTD files can also be imported from the Maptek Vulkan software. These features, after import, can then be reviewed or edited as necessary. After your review is complete, we are ready to start digitizing a polygon. The specific feature and layer can be selected from the Draw panel before digitizing. We'll use Granite, and you'll see the associated layer as Lithology. We'll begin our digitization process. And after the digitizing is complete, we will see both the layer and object name for the CAD object shown in the Explorer menu. In addition to this functionality, features can also be later applied or changed using the Apply Features option. Under Properties, Apply Features, we can set any rock code or rock feature to this object. If you have any questions about this new functionality or other features in PointStudio 2020, please reach out to your local Maptek office.